road. If you can't stay in your lane, then please get off the road.
Sit back, relax, ease your mind just a little bit. Sit back, relax, ease your mind just a little bit. Sit back, relax, ease your mind just a little bit. Sit back, relax, ease your mind just a little bit.
What's good, guys? Welcome to my Jeep. We are starting out in the car today, and I really need to clean out my car because I don't know about you, but I just be throwing things in the back, and I'm a clean person, so it really irritates me to just have, literally, look at this. I just cannot with myself. I have like so many clothes back here. I have a freaking shirt, reusable bags that I'll bring out to run errands with. By the way, you guys can get this at Angela Roy. Amazing. Support Black Lives Matter. I think it's like 20 bucks. I'll link it down below. It's one of my favorites if I don't want to have like a purse with me. Just throw my stuff in here. I digress. You see what I just did? I be doing that all the time, and it's not a vibe. So I really got inspired because I was thinking I need to clean my car. But I was like, why do I have so much stuff in my car? Like, I keep so many things in my car all the time. And I went to Target today, bought more things to keep in my car. And I'm like, this would be a really good video to share like my car essentials, things that every girl needs to have with them, and maybe give you guys some suggestions and recommendations on things that you should keep in your car. Maybe you don't really keep. I'm a mom, so I keep like everything in my car that I might need, you know? Maybe you need to be on that vibration too. So I'm gonna share with you guys some things that I have to have with me. I do not keep valuables in my car, so don't get it twisted. These are mostly like the girly things and practical things as well that I would recommend to those of you that have like a fur baby and you travel with them a lot. I'm gonna give you guys my like Amazon favorites, so definitely check out the links in the description box below if you guys wanna know like where I got everything from. So I guess we can start with the obvious clothes. I like to have jackets and flannels for obvious reasons. I'm always cold, and whenever I go to the gym or something, I like to have a flannel, wrap it around my waist if I'm doing squats or something, or if I left the gym and I have to go to the store and I don't want to have like a sports bra on and just wearing that, then throwing on a jacket is a nice option as well. And it's also fall, so the weather is kind of like up and down bipolar, so it's nice to have options with you if you're on the go and you forget a jacket. Girl, you got one in the car. So I think a denim jacket is always nice. It tends to go with like everything. So this one's from Target. Honestly, the best denim jacket I've ever had, no cap. And I'll try to link it. I get mine in like really big sizes because it just makes it look better. Especially if you layer it over activewear, but this is like an extra large and it's the perfect wash. So if they still have it, I'll let you guys know in the down bar. Target men's flannel. Also drop the link for this. So right off the bat, essentials. Okay, the next thing, because we're in like these weird times now, I always have these like wet ones. I love a good wipe because I feel like sanitizer is nice, but it like wipes the germs in, like you're still dirty. So I like to wipe my hands, especially when I'm getting gas and all the other people and the nasty germs, the gasoline drippings. Like I don't want that on my hands, and then I'm touching my steering wheel and maybe, I don't know, eating something in the car. So this is amazing. They do a bunch of different variations of this, and this is a fresh scent. So I always have backups in the trunk as well of this in my car because I'm a germ freak, and that's the mom in me coming out. But it's also nice to have other things available like sanitizer. They say you shouldn't keep sanitizer in your car because it'll blow up, but I think that's if it's really hot. But now that it's like fall winter, like we can keep other things in our vehicles now. This I do keep in my purse with me or my gym bag, but that's why I prefer this because it's just a safer bet. And I keep it in my cup holder. It's the perfect cup holder size, so it's ready to go all the time. Now the next thing I'm actually using right now, it's my charger. This is not a basic regular charger. This is like a quick charge cable that goes into, what is it, the ash lighter, what is it called? I don't know, but it goes into that thing. This charges my phone so freaking quick, and I love it. I love it so much. So Amazon, I'll drop the links for you guys in the description box below. It is my favorite thing ever of all time. So you have to have a charger. It's 2021. If you guys saw my Amazon I did like an Amazon things you need video, so I'll put that in the cards as well. This is amazing. I posted this to my story yesterday because I was going on a night drive, and there's something that just hits so hard about driving at night with the windows down, the music up, and then having this, and it actually just displays like LED lights. And I'll put like a boomerang from last night so you can see what it looks like when it's dark, but it's such a mood. Like Drake just hits different in the whip with this shining, and there's so many different settings. It's so cheap too, like 10 bucks, and it plugs into a USB port. So if you have one of those in your car, this is awesome. Just plug it in and then shine it up onto like the roof area, and you could also kind of adjust it whatever direction you want the lights to kind of shine. But this, girl, these need to go in the trash. I had one yesterday and it tasted like air freshener, and I almost died from poisoning, so I bought a new one. I always keep snacks because you don't want to be hungry, or if you're like in traffic or something, you haven't eaten, maybe you want to avoid going to McDonald's, fast food, you know, you need something to curb your appetite until you can get home. These like fig bars, y'all know if you watch the vlogs, y'all know what's up with these. I always have these before gym, but also as a snack throughout the day. We spend a lot of time in our car, driving around, running errands, sitting in traffic in the DMV. You know, I like to have that fall vibe spirit, so these do change out depending on like the seasons and stuff. But this fall I picked up leaves. These are from Bath and Body Works and Sweater Weather. They are so concentrated, y'all. Like 2 sprays and you're choking. I just love the fall vibes. This is almost out. This I got from Target. This is a nice warm fragrance as well. It's the Harmony with Bergamot from this brand. I don't know, the packaging is nice. It used to be in my room, but I was like, I like this for the car. Oh, smells so nice. I keep ducks in my car in case I see other Jeeps and I want to compliment them. I can just leave this on their door handle. Some of these are ducks that I've received, so I don't give those out to people, but they do chill in my car. Okay, I have literally 100 in the trunk, 100 ducks. And I keep the cards to go along with them in here, and a rubber band ball. Just out here supporting my community. Another room scent. This one, I clean my car. This one's the Rose Ivory, or Rose Water and Ivory. Old masks. See, I only use these once. This is disgusting. You do not want to put an old mask that you just found in your car on your face. So I always keep a fresh pack of masks in my car as well, so I have them whenever I need to run around and do stuff. So those are also on my Amazon. I like the disposable instead of the cloth. I find the cloth, you know, you have to wash them, and sometimes they're too lazy. So I mean, it is kind of wasteful when you think about how many masks we use a day as like a whole. And I be seeing them on the floor and the ground, people littering. It's just disgusting. So I don't know, guys. A nail file in here because sometimes my nails be looking dusty when I don't have claws on. That was a mess. Chapstick. The worst thing is leaving the house without lip balm. I find myself getting into the car and I look down and I'm like, wow, I'm just so ashy. That is embarrassing. I don't want to be that person. Or my ankles are ashy, or I'm wearing shorts to the gym and my knees are ashy. No, baby, no. So I like to have a nice moisturizing lotion in the car. Not so much in the hotter months like summer, because it gets like, I don't know, it alters the scent because the heat gets so hot. So I like to have things in my car now when it's not like boiling outside. So this is also from Bath and Body Works, and this scent is so good, you guys. It's the Bonfire Bash Ultimate Hydration Body Cream with hyaluronic acid, 24-hour moisture, woo woo woo. But wow, does this smell so good. It smells kind of like Marshmallow Fireside, but in like a lotion version. So if they have a body spray to this, I'm gonna pick it up for like a car scent. I wanted to get a hairbrush for my car because Jeep life, I like to drive around, not so much with my hair like this, but if I had like extensions in or something, like a ponytail, and I like take the top off, or I drop all the windows, my hair just blows everywhere and then it gets knotted and tangled. So it's nice to have a brush on hand just in general if you're going somewhere out nice, just to kind of touch up and freshen up a little bit. This was like $5, $4.99 at Target, and it's like a small handled, what brand is this? Swissco. paddle brush, but it's also a wet to dry brush as well. And then I got some hair ties in case I have my hair out, which I never really do. I don't wear wigs or anything. But y'all, I found these. It's a satin skinny scrunchie. So I have satin scrunchies also from Target. Not great, don't recommend it. These are super stretchy, so I can wrap them like 3 times around. So I'm gonna use these for like my buns because I feel like it's not gonna pull my hair out. So y'all need to go get these. I'm gonna link them down below, not just for your car but for everyday use. Hygiene, okay, these are, what brand is this? I typically get the Summer's Eve, but I don't know if they make them individual anymore. I went to 2 different Targets, couldn't find them, so I got this brand, and essentially they are the same thing. These are just like hygiene wipes for down there. And even if you're on like that time of the month and maybe you're on a road trip or something and you just want to feel fresh, you're going to your man's house, date night, you know what I'm saying, after dinner you guys decide to do something else but you want to be fresh, girl, you need one of these. So I like these ones because they're individual, so you can just keep a few of them in your car and then use them when you need them. Keep them in your bag as well. These are also great for travel purposes, so stay fresh, y'all. I love stuff like this little pouch, which is so nice to keep things like a few of these in. So get yourself like a cute mini makeup bag or something. I don't know where I got this, probably, oh, Laura Mercier through PR. But I keep like bobby pins because Jeep hair, my kitchen be falling out, like it's a mess. So, and y'all can see this was full at one point in time. I don't know where the rest went, don't ask me, but I would keep like my hair ties in here and a few of these in here as well. And then also, just to be prepared, Tamps. You never know if you're going to the gym or something and oh, she decides to pull up on you, baby, you're prepared. You're not freaking out. You don't have to go all the way home or go to the store. You have everything that you need already in here ready to go. And then this is just a great way to keep the little things that you might need in one place. These are really dirty. These are my Key sunglasses. These are cute. I've had these for so long. There's honestly, they don't make them anymore, I don't think, but they're such a good style for like every mood. This is Ariana Grande. Oh my god, like Sweet Like Candy is a vibe. I just love it. Like, she just knows how to make a good fragrance. So again, if you're on the go, you go out the house, you're outside. I don't like smelling like outside, okay? I like to smell good. So I like to touch up my fragrances throughout the day. This is a dossier. Y'all, I have fragrances everywhere in my life. So I don't know, tissues. These are amazing. Also, they're cup holder size. They're not supposed to be for your car, but baby, I keep these in my car. I like to, like, I don't know, wipe my hands, take off my lipstick, change the color with them, blow my nose. You know, it's getting colder outside. You just never know when you might need a tissue. But they have super cute like designs. They come in a pack of 3 or 4. I have extras literally in the trunk so I can replace them, but they're just so cute. It's a mess back here. If you have a dog, get one of these. I don't use this one. I'll show you guys what I like to use for my fur friend when he's in the car traveling, but it actually just clicks into the seat belt and then you can attach it to his harness so he won't jump out the window. I like this a lot. It's super inexpensive if you're looking for something to drive around safely with your pet. So I'll put this, actually I think it's on my Amazon store underneath the pet category. This is so good for summer. But also you should just be using sunscreen all the time. But like, I always have to have this because when the top is off, girl, I have the worst like short tan. Like, I just be getting burnt and feeling hot. So I always have to have this with me. It's the SPF 70 Ultra Sheer Body Mist. It also gives you a really good glow. So let's say it's, I don't know if you want to smell like sunscreen, but let's say you're going out and you're wearing shorts, you want to look nice and glowy and not like ashy, put this on your legs. Life hack. It's a mini first aid kit. I've never used it, but you never know. It has honestly nothing in it. It's like in the dollar aisle or something. What does it have? It has some band-aids, a lot of band-aids in here, a gauze, some hand cleansing wipes. That's it, y'all. Not even no Neosporin. So I don't know, it's nice to have one of these. Maybe get a full-size one, and it has like Neosporin in there, tweezers. You just never know what might happen when you're out and about or going on a road trip. I bought this for my road trip when I did a cross-country road trip. I don't even know why. Literally there's nothing good in here, but if you need a band-aid, it's great. My doggy car seat in the back, and I got it from Amazon. It was very expensive, $250, but it was the best $250 that I've ever spent because I feel really safe about my dog. He's like a medium-sized dog, and I would recommend it for those of you that have a medium-sized dog, maybe like 30 pounds and smaller. Anything bigger, I don't think he would really fit because it's very cushioned, and that's what I like about it. I feel good because it has a higher top cushion in the front and in the back, and I like to put it in the front seat. My dog likes to be in the front, he likes to see all the things, and it buckles around the seat, so it's not going to move around or shift or anything, and it has clips that you can clip to their harness as well, and it's very plush and soft, and you can wash the pieces if you need to, and there's pockets on the side, so if you need to stick extra things like their leash in there, treats or something, anything for your dog, you can kind of press into those little side pockets. And they do come in other like colors. I just got the navy blue one. I don't think they had a black one at the time, but it's just a safety measure. It makes me feel really good about having my dog in the car, and he loves it. Like, it took him a while to get used to having a car seat like that. For one, I had it in the back and he did not like that, so I'm like, okay, let me put it in the front, see if he likes being up here with me, and he does. And I initially bought it for my road trip because we were going to be in the car for 6 days, but it's nice to have as well if you know, drive around with your dog all the time. I like to take him to my dad's house and stuff, so I'm glad that I actually invested in it, and I use it a lot more than I thought that I would. So I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 stars. Y'all don't want to see the trunk. Now that it's not so hot outside, it's water season, we could keep water in our car without having it become toxic. A blanket, like a picnic style blanket. I like to go out in nature, sit, meditate, journal outside, so it's nice to have something that I can just, you know, grab with me, throw it in my little tote, and then take with me to the park. And it's very thin. I don't know where I got that one from. It's like a Turkish style. So freaking cute. A flashlight. Yeah, I hope that this was interesting. I don't know if it was or not, but thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!
If you can't stay in your lane, then please get off the road.
Sit back, relax, ease your mind just a little bit. Sit back, relax, ease your mind just a little bit. Sit back, relax, ease your mind just a little bit.